yoga for knee pain.
Hello yoga practitioners, welcome to our Healthy Wealthy Yoga channel. In today's busy life, physical labor is very less, due to which knee pain is the most common problem among many problems. In today's video, we will tell you 5 simple yogasanas to get relief from knee pain. These yogasanas will not only reduce pain, but will also strengthen the muscles of the knees. So let's get started. Mountain pose. First of all, stand up keeping your legs straight. Raise both hands up and join your fingers together. While inhaling deeply, raise the heel and stay in this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Then exhale and lower the hands. This asana helps in activating the muscles around the knees. Warrior pose. Now keep your right leg slightly bent forward and stand up while pulling the left leg back. Raise both hands up and stop for a while. Repeat this from the other side as well. This asana strengthens your knees and thighs and improves balance. Triangle pose. Stand straight with both legs spread apart, now bend your body from the waist. Bend while turning to the left and place the hand near the ankle. Stop for a few seconds and then repeat from the other side. Bridge pose. It strengthens the muscles around the joints. It reduces strain in the knees and is helpful in reducing pain. Eagle pose. It strengthens the knees and helps in relieving pain. It provides relief and relaxation to the knees and removes stress from the body. Finally, we will focus on a simple subtle exercise. Stretching and releasing such knees with long breaths. Do this by sitting on a chair and straightening the leg. So yoga practitioners, today you learned about these simple yogasanas, which can help you relieve knee pain. Do these for 5 to 10 minutes daily and gradually feel the difference. If you liked our video, then like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.
Enjoy the video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this video.